Hi guys, so I wanted to bring you this cute little half cut crease just in time for summer. So first we're going to do our brows, clean them up with a little bit of concealer. And you can do this look with pretty much any palette as long as you have a skin tone color, a light orange, a black, and a shimmery color. We're going to use a shimmery pink. So we're going to apply that black on the outer crease, blend, 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 blend. And then we're going to clean it up with some concealer. That's our half cut crease. And then we're going to pack on that light shimmery pink color and blend out that harsh line there with some black. So basically now everything else is the same. We're going to do our highlighter, apply some setting powder, apply some liner. So we're going to move on to my favorite step, which a good lash. We're going to use Salon Pro 30-second natural lash glue. It is my favorite glue. It gets tacky super quick and it